Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and in this video we will cover one important transit, that is on 2nd June 2021 Mars or Mangal moves into its debilitation sign, that is the sign of Cancer or Kark, and Mars is going to stay in this sign till 20th July 2021. So in this video we will try to analyze the impact of Mars in general on the world in this time period when it is in its debilitation sign. Now, before we start, a very brief introduction to Mars. Mars is a soldier and represents action. So, it is the planet of action. Mars represents our courage, willpower, and determination. Mars is ever ready to fight and take a stance on any issue. Mars also represents the blood that flows through our body. Mars represents bravery and concrete action. So, without wasting much time, let us now move to analyzing this transit. So, till now, Mars was present in the Punarvasu Nakshatra in the sign of Gemini or Mithun, and on 2nd June 2021 he is going to move into the sign of Cancer in the last pada of Punarvasu Nakshatra. So you can see the red line or red arrow which shows the movement of Mars from the sign of Gemini into the sign of Cancer. Now the sign of Cancer or Kark belongs to Mars's friend, the Moon. So why does Mars go into debilitation in this sign? See, the sign of Cancer is all about motherly emotions. It is about nurturing. Okay, and Mars is the planet of action. Mars is a soldier. So when Mars moves into this watery sign, which involves nurturing, caring, etc., the full potential of the soldier is not realized. And that is what is meant by a debilitated Mars. On the other hand, Mars gets exalted in the sign of Capricorn, which is ruled by his enemy Saturn. Why is this so? Because Capricorn is the natural 10th house in the zodiac belt and it represents action. So Mars performs best on the battlefield. Now on 2nd June 2021, Mars enters into the sign of Cancer at around 7:17 am IST. So here it is like Mars is asked to play with a baby, okay, to do things in the kitchen, which is not really the work of a soldier. A soldier does best on the battlefield. So here Mars wants to show his full potential, but he feels repressed here. So it causes tremendous irritability in our emotions, because the sign of Cancer ultimately deals with emotions. But in a way, this is good, because when Mars was forming an Angarak Yoga with Rahu, we saw an exponential increase in the corona cases as well as the fatality rate. And now when Mars is going to move into the sign of Cancer in the last pada of Punarvasu Nakshatra, these fatalities will go down, the cases will also go down, and there will be some kind of healing. From 2nd June to 7th June, that is a period of almost 6 days, Mars is going to stay in the last pada of Punarvasu Nakshatra. And this means that if you are repeatedly trying to achieve something, in your second attempt or your third attempt, you will finally attain the success you desire. After 7th June 2021, Mars moves into the next nakshatra in the sign of Cancer or Kark, which is nothing but the Pushya Nakshatra. Pushya Nakshatra is one of the most divine nakshatras. Pushya Nakshatra is all about nurturing, and the symbol of this nakshatra is represented by the portion of the cow from where the milk is drawn. So Mars actually becomes very emotional when he enters into the Pushya Nakshatra. It is a place where Mars is forced to repress his emotions. So, whenever a person has Mars in Pushya Nakshatra, this person is extremely emotional. If you try to identify his faults or if you try to pinpoint some mistakes in him, he feels extremely bad and there is an emotional explosion. This person can then no longer control his emotions. So, this is what is going to happen in the world also when Mars enters the Pushya Nakshatra on 7th June 2021. Remember that Saturn is present in the sign of Capricorn in the natural 10th house, and therefore, among the public, there is going to be some kind of emotional frustration which might come up during this period. So, this is a period when you will see a surge in repressed emotions and people become very irritable and emotional in this time period between 7th June 2021 and 22nd June 2021. Now on 22nd June 2021, Mars then moves into the Aslesha Nakshatra. Okay, the Aslesha Nakshatra is represented by a hooded snake. Aslesha Nakshatra is all about deception. It is about cheating. It is about manipulating others to achieve your goals. And this is what happens to Mars. So when Mars enters the Aslesha Nakshatra, people become very manipulative. They become very selfish and they tend to use you for their own gain. So this is a period when the virus cases may also increase. That is after 22nd June 2021 till 20th July 2021, the virus cases may increase, or there may be certain water related incidents, okay, such as a dam burst, cyclones or floods, because ultimately Cancer is a watery sign and Aslesha is all about deception. Remember that the sign of Cancer also represents independent India's third house, which means the borders of India. So across the borders we may see some kind of disputes coming up after 22nd June 2021 till 20th July 2021. There might be some kind of disputes again with China and in the area of West Bengal and Bangladesh. The possibility of water related disasters or water related diseases increases in this time period. So we need to be extremely careful from 22nd June till 20th July 2021. Finally, on 20th July 2021, Mars enters into the friendly sign of Leo. One more important point to remember is that around 20th July 2021, Mars will be in Gandanta. Gandanta represents the border between a fire sign and a water sign. Okay, so Cancer is a watery sign, Leo is a fire sign, and Mars is trying to cross this border. Okay, what happens when water meets with fire? There is some kind of friction, there is some kind of smoke, there is some kind of steam, and therefore in this time period when Mars is trying to cross this border between Cancer and Leo, we might find some terrorist activities, some kind of explosive events, or some kind of water disasters. Now, one way to overcome this transit is to learn to control your emotions, to meditate a lot. So, if you worship Hanuman, if you worship Skanda, who is the deity of Mars, you will find a lot of peace in this time period. So friends, this is my analysis of Mars transiting through his debilitation sign of Cancer between 22nd June and 20th July 2021. Now if you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. If you have not subscribed to our channel Kamath Astrology, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button and you will be notified automatically when we add a new video. To know more about us, visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. For any consultations, any queries, please email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com. and we'll be glad to assist you. So, friends, thanks a lot. Stay safe, take care. We'll see you soon, shortly again. Till then, bye.